What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Alexa and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the True Beauty family, and don't forget to subscribe before you click off this video. If you would like to see how I got this look, it's very easy. If you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and I keep talking with my hands. Okay. So to start off, I'm going to take Man-Eater from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is the original, this is not the new one. So yeah, that's why it looks a little crusty. It does. I'm just going to take that and pat it all on my lid. Okay, now that that is all over my lid, I'm going to take this little fluffy brush and blend out the edges. I'm gonna add a little bit more color and take it a little bit higher than I did before. And repeat the same thing. Also, I forgot to mention this brush has no product on it. I'm just using it to blend out the edges of the eye. So now that this eye is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. And I'm not gonna talk just to save time. Okay, so now that both eyes are done, I'm gonna move on to mascara. And for mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline Big Shot. And you could definitely stop here if you are not comfortable with putting on lashes yet, or you just prefer the look without lashes. But I am going to put on lashes today. And the lashes I'm using are from Ardell. They're the Mega Volume 252 lash.
Your eyelash glue.
Yeah, since I found my eyelash glue. In a shoebox. Okay, so while the lashes are drying, I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 410. fix my lighting really quickly. Okay, I like this lighting a little bit better. My flashlight was up very high. It was actually up all the way. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead in with concealer. Since I ran out of concealer in the last video, I am taking this Arbonne concealer. This is the Real Conceal concealer, and this company is a natural cosmetics company. They sell skincare, makeup, obviously. I did do a video on their foundation, this concealer, their mascara, and excuse me. And I think that's all I had in the video. But if you guys would like to check them out, you definitely can. I will link my video right in the card and in the description box. And I will also link their website down below if you are interested. Gonna take a little bit more of Man Eater. No, I wasn't talking to you. I'm gonna get a Laura Mercier. Oh, I thought I had something on my face. There's something on the viewfront. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on now because they're dry. Not dry, but like, you know, they're dry enough. The lashes are on and they look so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna brush away some powder. Okay. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna contour now, and I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette.
Buying those boots to wear in probably 80-degree weather.
No, but now I'm going to highlight. I had a brain fart. I'm going to highlight my face now. I'm using the bronze from Artist Couture and Jackie Aina. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips now. I already highlighted and everything, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips now. And for this, I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Brownie. And it's a really pretty, like, pinky brown color. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And thumbs up this video if you liked it. I hope it was easy enough to follow, especially for you guys that are beginners. Because contrary to popular belief, not everyone knows how to do makeup like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye!